Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video we will learn about how can we change case of our paragraphs in Microsoft Word. How can we show or hide the formatting button. So stay tuned and watch till the end. For example, these two lines, if I want to change their case, I will select those lines and within the Home tab, within the font area, you can see this option. Click the node on the side, change case. It's showing you the multiple option. Sentence case, if you click this one, so it will apply. So sentence case is basically whenever the sentence end, the very first letter of the word is it will be in the uppercase and rest will be lowercase. So this is the sentence case. Let's see next one. Next one is lowercase. If I click this one, so all the words will be in lowercase, regardless of when the sentence is starting or ending. So let's go to next option. Next option in uppercase. All the words will be in uppercase, regardless of start of paragraph or start of new line. Next option is capitalize each word. Each word, so each letter of the word will be in the capital and rest will be in lowercase. Let's move to the next one. Next option is toggle case. If I click this one, the first letter in each word will be in lowercase and rest will be in uppercase. So let's go back and choose the sentence case. So select those line and then go to sentence case. So these were the different types of case. You can use the shortcut key to change the case as well. For example, if I want to change this case into uppercase, so the shortcut key is Alt H 7U. Now you can see those two lines have been converted into uppercase. There is a shortcut key to convert into lowercase as well. So shortcut key is Alt H 7L. You can see all those words have been converted into lowercase. So if I want to move to the sentence case with the help of shortcut key, the shortcut key is Alt H 7S. So it will convert into the sentence case. The next one is show or hide button. Show or hide button purpose is to show all the formatting within your data, all the spaces between words, between lines, between paragraphs. So if I go to Home tab, within the paragraph, there is option here. You can see if you hover the mouse, it will show or hide. If I click this one, it will show all the formatting within this document. It will show all the spaces between words, lines, the bullet formatting. This is especially used in the advanced formatting. So if I click back again, so it will be deactivated. There is a shortcut key to activate the show or hide button as well. The shortcut key is Alt H8. So it will show me all the formatting if I press Alt H8. Again, to deactivate the show or hide button, so it will Alt H8 to hide this formatting button. So these were the two options, change of case, show or hide button within the Microsoft Word. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.